Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming an ordinary hand sickle and some basic hardware into an amazing, efficient gardening tool. You might be tired of bending over and struggling with stubborn weeds like I was, but I'll show you how to give these common items a completely new purpose. I'm starting with 2 standard hand sickles. I'll take one and use a marker to trace a line on its handle. I'm using an angle grinder to carefully shape the marked section of the sickle's handle. This is crucial because a smooth, precise cut will allow the 2 sickles to join seamlessly and form a robust new blade. I'm repeating the grinding process on the second sickle handle. Consistency here is key to make sure both pieces align perfectly when I join them together. Next, I'll position both sickles on a sturdy metal surface, handles facing each other, to create a mirrored shape. Now for the welding. I'm carefully welding the 2 sickle handles together at the marked point. This step fuses them into a stronger, unified piece, which is essential for the durability of our new tool. I'm making sure to get a solid bond. After the initial weld, I'm using a chisel to chip away the slag. This removes impurities and helps me inspect the weld to ensure it's strong and clean before proceeding. I'm welding the sickles once more, this time focusing on reinforcing the joint for maximum strength. This double-pass welding technique ensures that our new blade can withstand the rigors of heavy gardening. Another quick cleanup with the chisel to remove the fresh slag. This reveals the finished solid weld, ready for the next stage of preparation. I'm now using an angle grinder to smooth out any rough edges and ensure the joint looks neat and is safe to use. It also helps achieve a flatter surface for better performance. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Here I have 2 small red wheel tires. These will form the base of our wheeled weeding tool, providing mobility and stability. I'm taking a metal rod, which will serve as the axle, and carefully threading it through the center of one of the tires. To further secure the wheel, I'm adding an additional washer and nut, making sure they are snug. This double nut system prevents the wheel from wobbling or coming loose during use. I'm using a wrench to tighten the nuts. This is an important step to ensure the wheel is securely mounted and rolls smoothly without loosening. I'm repeating the exact same process for the second wheel on the other end of the metal rod, attaching it with washers and nuts. This completes our axle assembly with 2 wheels. Now, to further increase the wheel's sturdiness, I'm adding a metal bar to secure it and tightening it with pliers. This ensures the wheel can withstand pressure and movement without any problems. I'm securing the second wheel in the same way and tightening them. It is important to ensure both wheels are securely fixed and can rotate freely. If you find this video interesting, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm using a tape measure to find the center point of the metal rod. After determining the center, I'm marking it precisely with a marker pen. This ensures the lawn mower blade will be perfectly balanced and operate efficiently. Now, I'm measuring and marking a rectangular piece of metal. This piece will act as a sturdy connector between the axle and the sickle blade assembly. I'm using the angle grinder to trim and clean up the edges of the rectangular metal piece, ensuring it's ready for welding. A clean surface is essential for a strong weld. I'm placing the rectangular metal piece onto the marked center of the axle rod. Then, I'm carefully welding it into place, creating a strong perpendicular connection. This forms the central support for our weeding blade. After welding, I'm using a hammer and chisel to remove the welding slag and then brush the area clean. This exposes the finished weld and ensures a smooth surface. Now I'm positioning our custom welded sickle blade assembly onto the rectangular metal piece that's already attached to the axle. With the sickle blade in position, I'm welding it securely to the rectangular support. Multiple passes ensure a very strong and durable connection that won't give way under pressure. Time to remove the welding slag from the sickle attachment and then give it a final grind. This smooths out any imperfections, making the blade sharp and effective, and ensuring a professional finish. To add an extra layer of functionality and maneuverability, I'm attaching a small caster wheel to the top of the sickle assembly. I'm welding the caster wheel's base firmly to the center of the sickle assembly. This will allow the tool to glide smoothly over uneven terrain. After welding, I'll clean the slag as before. I have two metal poles that will form the handle of our weeding machine. I'm measuring and marking one of them, indicating where it will connect to the other piece. I'm welding the two metal poles together in a T shape. This creates a comfortable and sturdy handle for pushing and pulling the weeding tool. Once done, I'll chip away the slag to clean the weld. Now, I'm attaching the T-shaped handle to the main axle assembly. This is the final structural connection, bringing all the components together. I'm welding the handle assembly securely to the main wheeled blade unit. This is the last major welding task, creating a robust, unified tool. Afterward, I'll clean up the welds with a chisel and a final grind to make it perfectly smooth and ready. Our new weeding tool is almost ready to go. And there you have it, our incredible multifunctional wheeled weeding tool, transformed from simple sickles and basic parts. Look how easily it glides through the weeds, making quick work of what was once a backbreaking chore. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity and effort, you can achieve amazing things and make your gardening so much easier. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.